And I drift away, wondering how you are. And it's just like me to remember all I forgot to tell ya. Now that you're too far, but I hope somehow you already know without me saying no word. Did you feel it on my hand?
I don't know if you can see the squirrel, but it's right there. Jace, you want to see a squirrel? Look, it's right there. You see it? Look, come here. It's making noises.
It's eating a nut.
It's eating.
Hello.
Hello. Want to smell this?
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then a nest. And the bikes.
Wow. Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy. Mommy.
Bunny? You're a bunny that lives.
Hey, Mommy, look.
Did you feel it on my hands? Did you see it in my
Morning, guys. Today is Thursday morning, and we are getting ready to go on a bike trail again. I love it that where we live, there's just so many like hidden bike trails near rivers and stuff like that where like usually you don't see anybody. So that's really awesome. Husband is putting the bikes up on the car, and the boys are out playing while he does that, and we're ready. We just had some breakfast, and yeah, I've been having crazy dreams since the full moon, like so vivid and stuff. And in one of my groups we were talking about how like dreams for some of us were gonna become just like really important during this time, as well as yeah, that's all that's coming to mind. I was gonna say something else, but I forgot. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys in a second. I just got what I ordered for my birthday. I'm so excited. Let me show you guys. It's for my birthday.
I'm just looking at it.
Okay guys, here it is. I got it out. So I got this from Victoria, Allison, Victoria, and here's her Instagram and info. I was going to say that I'll link it down below, but I've talked about her a few times. It's not focusing. Her website and stuff, I'll just link it down below. But guys, it is so beautiful. I feel so loved.
Can you open it?
It is beautiful. It smells so good. JC, look, there's rose petals in there. Thank you so much, Allison. Wow. Smell this. It is just, it is so her. I don't know how to explain it, but just like the little details, there's so much love infused.
Who's Allison?
She is the one I got this oil from. Do you want to know what it's called?
What?
Did you smell it? Open it and smell it. It is High Priestess perfumed oil.
Together. It smells good.
Looks like it's time to go. I haven't been running in the past 2 days, but that's okay. We're going to be riding bikes. My hair, I don't know what to do with it. It's fine like this. It's all fine.
never late when you needed me. If ever you were down, and I know I showed my love unconventionally, but I sure hope it counts.
Actually switch these over. good. I dyed my hair again yesterday. It's like this reddish. I think it looks really pretty color. But I am in the office. There's like a little piece right there. There's clothes in the background that don't fit Jace anymore because I'm about to print something else that I sold on Mercari. I've been selling something like almost every single day. So I just print the shipping label, which I have right here, but there's addresses and stuff. And here it printed. I have my little tripod there just because. Some crystals here, crayons, because this is where I'm also homeschooling Jace. He just sits here and does work. My little mug that I need to take to the kitchen. My ring light, and then my vision board is back here. Then we have a bed and clothes that I need to sort right over here. So that's it. My hair, I'm really liking it. But I don't think you can quite see it on the camera. Probably because this like reddish. I don't know. I like little lens sort of broke. No, I think it's fully there. My husband and Isa are walking outside in the backyard, and I have, here, let me put this away, focus on you guys. I have an assignment from one of the groups that I am a part of, where I develop spiritually, like grow spiritually and stuff like that. I learn a lot of things. One of my assignments for this month is to go on a Facebook Live. So I'm just sitting here thinking that this is a perfect time and opportunity, but I'm not really sure what to say and I'm kind of nervous. So I just kind of want to go on there and be like, I am doing my assignment. Hi guys. But I would love to share something. I'm just not exactly sure what right this second. And a little nervous, not gonna lie. I did my little live. I feel so much better after having done it. And it's sort of that feeling where it's like, it wasn't so bad. It wasn't so scary. Like, why was I so nervous, right? But anyway, I'm about to put this little mask on. And then I'm gonna get in the bath. I had dinner. Then we're gonna watch a show that's called, actually I don't know what it's called. It's like it's on Netflix. It's a series in Spanish about a girl that's like in a jail. If I think of the name, I'll let you guys know, but I'm just so ready.
Was telling you all the time, I was telling you all the time.
I see you.